Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this short video here, we'll want to relook into DNEX that currently they're having a very strong reaccumulation, right? So hopefully for members, you're able to identify some of the important setup and signal. Hopefully for those that who just joined, remember to go through again the 7-day tutorial series. So again, the reaccumulation usually start with the price break below 2040s and subsequently actually it retests over time, but most of the time it's staying above, right? And we also want to see where is the few important bars, right? If you look into here, this is the few important bars come with volume that actually helps the overall price is staying above the particular areas. So recently we have also a green pentagon here. This is 3rd of September, again using our trade business screener from Pentagon Guidance. Here going back to 3rd of September, you will notice that DNEX actually is here. So again, few things that you can actually use, especially for members. Of course, MCOM already go up for 30%, complete 20%, and Miko 16% based on yesterday's price. So you want to look into something that they haven't really moved yet. Going back to like a few weeks ago, look for those that are actually still in support, okay, so that you actually can buy when the price is having some sort of like a bullish signals and pretty close to support, right? So once it breaks up really like Ancon, complete, probably just want to wait for the pullback. So okay, now we want to check again the background overall. So everything's still in red because it didn't trigger the green pen because of the volume. But what you can do is that trend line plotter, right? So this is a mid trend line over here. Okay, so this is the support. Okay, so seems like this is a support number 2. Looks like it will hit anytime soon, right? So once it hit a couple of sound strength, I think is coming with better confirmation. So weekly chart wise, we have got lots of sound strength coming in from this area. Okay, trending for this area, which is pretty good as well. And if you look into daily chart, okay, we got, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, and pentagon number 4. So remember, during sideways, especially reaccumulation or accumulations, right? We tend to see lots of green pentagons and red pentagon. Okay, but overall, few things. Okay, background is very important. I think the background over this DNEX is pretty good. Okay, overall, but just that the volume on this green panel overall is not that strongest yet. Okay, so I think it will still continue to move sideways a period of time, right, until obvious volume coming in. Okay, so remember when we talk about doing our 7-day tutorial series, if let's say during this sideways reaccumulation, sometimes we will see a few green pentagons coming out together, right? So we want to see uh, the highest volume green pentagon. Okay, so that's the one that actually it can at least got a chance to make a follow through, right? So at the moment, I don't think it will change the trend yet. Okay, but definitely, currently is building a very strong reaccumulation, right? So hopefully, we will see some changes in terms of trend soon for DNEX. So if let's say there's any changes, I'll definitely give an update soon. And if you like what we do, okay, this short video over here, do remember to subscribe to this channel, click the like buttons, and comment what is the stock that you want me to cover next.